my good friend, General Aguto, more birthdays to come and you're doing a fantastic job dito sa Region 3. Sana manatili ka rito habang buhay, pero alam nating lahat hindi pa pwede yun. Pero Roy, you're doing good and as long as you're playing golf, I will play golf with you every time you're going to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday and more power, General Aguto.
I would like to thank everyone and thank God for giving us this wonderful day and a lot of people masasabi ko na love ka talaga nila.
To our General Birthday Boy, General Aguto, pinakamagaling na PFP Region 3 Director. Happy birthday and more good times to come.
Marami pa mga taon na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong tournament para marami ka pang matulungan. Alam ko na from the bottom of your heart, sincere talaga yung pagtulong mo sa kapwa-tao mo. Again, happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday, boss! Isang tagay para sa tagumpay. Ito ang tama!
To my good friend, General Aguto, may you live 100 more years. At bahala ka na ron, hindi mo na kami kasama ron. Anyway, more power and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, General!
Happy birthday, General Aguto. Wish you all the best, sir.
Sir, happy birthday! Sana pag birthday nyo, laging may ganito.
Happy Red Horse Day!
Strong beer!
Happy birthday!
Boss Roy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dad. Enjoy your day.